Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can view or see the model number of your iPhone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view or see the model number of your iPhone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your phone settings. And once you're on your phone settings, I want you to scroll down a little until you see this general option right here. Once you've found it, just go and open it. And after that, I want you to tap the About option. And after tapping it, there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now see the model number of your iPhone right here just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.